Hello algebra students, here are your video notes for the 3.3 mini unit that we're going to be completing today. Make sure that you put your name at the top of your packet, that way you can receive credit for your work. Nothing new here, we're still just solving our linear inequalities with one variable. I'm just going to undo my multiplication on this one with division. Those cancel. What I did to one side I have to do to the other. X is now less than negative 10. I graph this. I have an open circle. X is less than, less and left are both L's going to my left then. We go on down to our second practice. I see that I'm having negative that I'm going to have to multiply by. I'm going to multiply by a -4, multiply by a -4. These cancel out. What I'm doing right away when I see that I'm multiplying by a -4, I'm multiplying or dividing, I'm flipping this sign right away. So I flipped it. Now I can go ahead just like normal. I have my y. I know 5 times -4 gives me -20. -20 is less than or equal to y. I have a closed circle because it's less than or equal to, and y is greater than those. Down here at the bottom, I see that I have another negative that I'm going to be dividing by. Undo this multiplication with division here. Undo. Those cancel. I'm flipping my sign since I'm doing that. It flips. I'm left with x is less than 300 divided by -10 gives me -30. Graphing this, I'm going to have an open circle I know already. I know that x is less than, so it's going to go to my left. I graph it like this. If you turn the page, you'll notice that you have 8 practice problems today. It shouldn't be too complex at all. Make sure that we're filling those in, graphing those appropriately as well. You'll notice that in the practice problems, you'll have these weird, or the guy that started notes before class, we started with these Inkies. I'm going to talk a little bit more about those in terms of what those are in our video as well today, in our live class. I also put in more of these puzzles as well as Sudoku and a very large circular maze as well. I'll talk about those in terms of what those are to be done in class as well as during our live session and in the video directions as well. Thanks, guys.